to monitor the best home food quality. What quality points should you check before using any food items? The level of food you eat is very important. Food has been contaminated or mixed with something else. These things can make you sick and unhealthy. Determining the level of food you eat is very important. Food has been contaminated or mixed with something else. These things can make you sick and unhealthy. What is the great difference between impurity and adultery? Uncleanness and adultery involve something foreign to the diet. But there is a great difference between impurity and adultery. Contamination means that the addition of an external object was unintentional. When you commit adultery, you enter something. Adultery usually involves the removal of a high-quality ingredient and a low-quality ingredient. In a sense, food purification. Adultery can lead to serious health risks. So it is important to understand the quality of the food. How to test impurity and adultery for food at first sight. You can use your senses to see if there is anything wrong with your diet. For example, if you see a strange fruit, it means that it is a sign of decay. The canned product can get damaged if the can is not in good condition. You can use your sensory organs to get more nutrients from food. For example, you can check the addition of papaya seeds to black pepper seeds. But it is not always easy to see them that way. Sometimes food may look better, but the most dangerous thing can be used to commit adultery. To make this difference, you need some kind of analysis. How to make difference by making some kind of analysis. Some basic analysis has to do at home or in the school lab. For example, you can identify the addition of water to milk, the addition of color to sugar, the addition of drinks, etc. These basic tests can identify the presence or absence of an adult. Why do we take out the good medium testing? But you may need to go further and use intermediate tests to better assess food quality. These intermediate tests will need the most advanced tools and skills. Basic tests can only tell you about the presence and absence. But a moderate test can tell you the number of prostitutes in the diet. You may have heard of the mobile food testing laboratory. It is an example of a central testing service. They have basic types of machines for detecting adultery in milk products. They can do up to 23 tests. What is the need for further advanced testing? Sometimes your food may be mixed at a very low price. But even these low levels can be dangerous to your health. You can accurate information about adultery in your diet through advanced testing. Advanced testing is performed by specialized technicians in a modern laboratory. E.g., if you want to get scientific knowledge of plants and the location of your honey, you can go to these labs. What modern laboratory can find out in advanced testing? These labs can find even the smallest levels of adultery in your diet. If your diet passes tests in these labs, then you can be sure that your diet is of the highest quality. If you are only concerned with the basic level, you can use the magic box for food safety. It is a home food testing kit. It can provide you with some relevant information about the quality of the food you eat.